Lesson number 2. Learning Spanish with AI.
Bienvenidos! In this video, we'll be exploring 30 essential Spanish phrases that you might hear or need to use while dining at a restaurant. From ordering your favorite dishes to asking for the check, we've got you covered. Whether you're a Spanish language learner or simply looking to brush up on your skills, these phrases will help you navigate any restaurant in a Spanish-speaking country. So, grab your menu and get ready to impress your waiter with your new Spanish skills. I see Shivani just arrived at the office. Hi, Shivani. How have you been? I feel like it's been forever since we last caught up. Have you been up to anything exciting lately?
Hey there! Jada, it's so great to see you. I've been keeping busy with work and trying to find some time for hobbies. Since we are learning Spanish restaurant phrases, I have a funny restaurant story. So we went to this Spanish restaurant, and I have to tell you, it was like a scene from a telenovela, soap opera. We were seated at a table near the kitchen, and we could hear the chef and the waiters arguing back and forth in Spanish. My friend, who doesn't speak Spanish, was looking a bit worried, so I tried to reassure her that everything was fine. But then, our waiter came over and said, "I'm sorry, but we're all out of tacos. Would you like something else?" My friend, who had been practicing her Spanish, tried to order the polo, chicken, but instead she accidentally ordered the pollo loco, crazy chicken. The waiter just looked at her and said, "Are you sure you want that? It's a little loco." We were all cracking up, but my friend was determined to order the pollo loco. When the dish finally arrived, it was this huge, whole chicken, with its head and feet still attached. My friend just looked at it and said, "This is the craziest chicken I've ever seen." We were all laughing so hard we could barely eat, but in the end, the pollo loco was actually really good. Who knew crazy chicken could be so delicious?
Ha ha ha, that's hilarious. Thanks for sharing that joke. It really brightened my day. Okay, Shivani, let us start with the first 5 phrases. 1. Do you have a table for 2, please? 2. Can we see the menu, please? 3. What do you recommend? 4. I would like to order the daily special. 5. What does this dish have in it?
1. ¿Tiene una mesa para 2, por favor? 2. ¿Podemos ver el menú, por favor? 3. ¿Qué recomienda usted? 4. Quisiera pedir el plato del día. 5. ¿Qué lleva este plato?
6. Do you have any vegetarian options? 7. I would like to order a salad for an appetizer. 8. What kind of drinks do you have? 9. I would like to order a bottle of water. 10. Do you have house wine?
6. ¿Tienen opciones vegetarianas? 7. Quisiera pedir una ensalada como entrada. 8. ¿Qué bebidas tienen? 9. Quisiera pedir una botella de agua. 10. ¿Tienen vino de la casa?
11. I would like to order a glass of red wine. 12. What is the most popular dish? 13. Can I make any changes to my dish? 14. I would like to order a cheeseburger, please. 15. How long will my food take to be ready?
11. Quisiera pedir una copa de vino tinto. 12. ¿Cuál es el plato más popular? 13. ¿Podría cambiar algo en mi plato? 14. Quisiera pedir una hamburguesa con queso, por favor. 15. ¿Cuánto tiempo tardará mi comida en estar lista?
16. Could we have some more bread, please? 17. What is the house specialty? 18. Could you bring me the check, please? 19. Do you accept credit cards? 20. I would like to pay in cash.
16. ¿Nos podrían traer más pan? 17. ¿Cuál es la especialidad de la casa? 18. ¿Podría traerme la cuenta, por favor? 19. ¿Aceptan tarjetas de crédito? 20. Quisiera pagar en efectivo.
21. Can you pack up my leftovers to go? 22. Where are the restrooms? 23. I would like to reserve a table for tomorrow night. 24. Is the tip included? 25. How much should I leave for a tip?
21. ¿Podría envolver lo que sobró para llevarlo? 22. ¿Dónde están los baños? 23. Quisiera reservar una mesa para mañana por la noche. 24. ¿Está incluida la propina? 25. ¿Cuánto debería dejar de propina?
26. I would like to order a dessert. 27. Could I have more napkins, please? 28. Is there a kids menu? 29. What is the price of this? 30. Do you have gluten-free options?
26. Quisiera pedir un postre. 27. ¿Podría tener más servilletas, por favor? 28. ¿Hay un menú infantil? 29. ¿Cuál es el precio de esto? 30. ¿Tienen opciones sin gluten?
Thank you all for tuning in and joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. We appreciate your support and engagement, and we look forward to bringing you more great content in the future. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.